Which recovery equipment maintenance practice should be performed on a regular basis? A. Check vacuum pump for any leaks. B. Check recovery equipment for refrigerant leaks. C. Check amperage draw of recovery device. D. Check amperage draw of vacuum pump.
Hello, my name is Licensed HVAC Tech and welcome to the JustAnswer site. I can help with your question about maintenance practices. Please disregard any requests for a phone call as they are generated by the site and not by me. I'll return shortly with more information. In over 4 years in the field, I never had a problem with the amperage draw on either my vacuum pump or recovery machine. Subsequently, I don't see the need for this unless you're establishing a baseline to monitor it over a period of time looking for changes. It is my opinion leak checking both the vacuum pump and recovery machine are more important for several reasons. A leaking vacuum pump will prevent pulling the best vacuum quickly. A leaking recovery machine will cause a loss in the quantity recovered, which impacts the weight, and a leaking machine is a violation of EPA refrigerant handling regulations. Hope you are satisfied with my answer and know that I will stand by for any further questions you may have. Thank you for the opportunity to help you. Thank you, and I made a mistake above. My post should read in over 42 years, not 4.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.